Hey, what's up, fam? Built on the budget here. Coming back, man, with some more content on my LS Swap 88 short bed pickup. A couple of videos ago, I was talking about changing the springs on the front of it, which you seen that I did. And the next thing I was saying I wanted to do at the same time was remove that old sliding back glass. It's a well-known fact that I ain't never been fond of a sliding back glass. If you look in my other OBS, you will see that I got a fixed tinted back glass in it, and that's what I wanted to do with this one here, was to get rid of the sliding back glass. But before I get into all of that, what I'm finna do is drop that intro. And bam, like that, I'm back. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that old window out, and then I'm gonna show you what I got for it. Let me get around here and see if I can't show it to you. You got to excuse the mess in here, but I don't know how well you can see it. But what I got laying in here is a tinted fixed back glass, and I'm gonna be installing that in my 88. So let me get this old back glass out, and then I turn you right back on. And with the miracle of cameras, then I'm gonna show you what I got accomplished. Boom. You see it? Just that quick. The back glass is out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and clean up the old glue and stuff around it, and maybe try to shoot a little primer around on this side here. This is where that old window was leaking at, that was in there, man, and I couldn't have that. So let me try to clean up some of this old glue, and then I get that done, and I turn this camera right back on. And I like to say, if you are new to this channel, then like, share it, and take and subscribe to me if you a newcomer to the Built on a Budget family. And if you've been a part of this family, share this video with people, man. And when you share it, show them how to subscribe. You'd be surprised how many people don't know how to register for a YouTube account to be able to subscribe, but they watch your videos. So if you part of this family, you done subscribed, and you sharing it with some of your friends, show them how to connect and tell them about the benefits of having an account with YouTube. And if you're new, like I said, welcome. I hope that this is gonna be some content that you can enjoy looking at, and that you might make my face one that comes into your house on a weekly basis. So let me get a little more work done, and then I'll turn you back on. Back one more time, one more again. I'm back. I just want to show you the little prep that I did around the window of this truck. You know, it had that rust right in there, and so what I done was I kind of cleaned the rubber real good and then shot a coat of primer down in it, you know, just for if it was any bare metal that was on there, that I would've got it all off. So you know, there you have it. And of course, you know, one thing I always like to do is and listen, man, if I'm happy, let me be happy to do this. Hey, listen, man, I enjoyed listening today. Listen, if you watch this channel a lot, you might say within yourself, how many times is that guy gonna crank that darn truck up on a video? The answer is every time I shoot one. Cause man, I did a lot of work to put this LS down in this truck and to get it running like I did. So me personally, I'm proud of what I done, and it just give me motivation every time I hear it run. So that's what I do. I'm gonna get back with you. Just stand by one. Now, you know, I've always talked about this channel is built on a budget, and that you know, I try to do everything as cost effective as I can. But sometimes, man, the auto parts stores, they won't let you do it. You know, how about I pay $29 for a glass and $22 for the glue to put it in? Boy, they don't show built on the budget no love, do they? But just like anything else, man, if you're gonna be in this business, I don't care what your budget is, you got to be willing to spend a little bit of money and do a whole lot of work. So I'm off to the parts store to get me a tube of glue so I can put that window in before nightfall. So I'll turn you back on whenever I get ready to put that glass in. So peace until we meet again. Bam! I'm back, like James Brown said. But listen, I thought I'd come in and conclude this video for today on my window install. And let me turn this camera around and let you see what I got. There you have it. She's in. She look good too, don't she? Now all I got to do is I'm trying to find some sunlight. It's getting dark out here, man. All I need to do now is get me my OBS short bed game sticker to go in the back glass in my built on the budget, and I'll be in there. So listen, like I told you earlier, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you own this channel at all, bam, that notification bell, because I'm gonna be dropping them. I'm dropping them every chance I get. So hopefully the next video that I do is gonna be me wiring up my electric fans and hopefully letting the motor run until it get up to temperature so that they will kick in and go off. So I still got a few more things I need to do. I'm gonna C-notch the back frame, and I'm gonna take and hook those electric fans up to my computer. I already got the relays and stuff made up, and I know which direction I'm gonna go with it. It's just a matter of me putting it together. So Until I see you on the next video, this is Built on the Budget saying thank you for watching. I hope that it was entertaining to you and informative. So I'm going to be out. Peace.